Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to teach you a trick on how to minimize the rate at which fraudulent people or scammers join your WhatsApp group. Now we head on to open our WhatsApp app. Then you locate the group you want to turn on these settings. Let me tap on this group. Then you head on to the top to tap on the group name. Then you scroll down a bit and then you're going to see the option group permissions. Tap on it. So you scroll down and then you're going to see the option admins can approve new members. Now it is currently gray because I did not turn it on. So we go ahead and turn it on so that admin must approve anyone who wants to join the group. And by doing this, you are able to check who joins your group and who should not join your group. It is no longer an open group that people will just access the link and join the group and begin to spam your group with messages that are not relevant. So we tap on it to turn it on and it turns green in color, which is a sign that we have turned it on. So by doing this, even when someone out there gets the link to join the group, you are going to receive a request that they want to join the group, and then as admins you decide to either accept this person or decline the person's request. If you got value in this video, do well to like and share, and keep an eye for more tricks like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next content. Later.